Dinner prep time for the fam. The sour radish mix I ordered online just showed up. Perfect for pork trotter soup. Since it's still early, I'm also cooking up some malabala spinach and shrimp I picked up this morning. So tonight's menu is simple but tasty. Sour radish pork trotter soup, ginger scallion shrimp, and a quick stir fry with malabala spinach. I'll put the recipes right on the screen, so you can check them out if you want to try. For soup, I use a seasoning pack that already came with sour radish. If you use a different kind, this flavor might be a little different. Oh, I almost forgot. Hi, I'm Joya. I'm from Southern City in China, and I love showing my cooking and day life here. If you are curious about Chinese food or daily life here, drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to reply to everyone. By the way, my English isn't perfect yet. I'm still learning. So please be kind. I'm practicing every day and I believe I'll get better. I'm excited to keep sharing easy, tasty dishes with you. If you enjoy this kind of comments, I'd love it if you follow me.
你先把这个东西下饭喽。吃饭。好卡你们两个。